As many of you know, Carlos Alcaraz is one of the most promising young professional tennis players in the world. But you might not know about his net worth and millionaire lifestyle. The extremely talented Spanish player's net worth is approximately $2 million in 2022, and today we are going to discuss his millionaire lifestyle. So, what luxuries has Carlos invested in, and how does he spend his millions? Let's find out what makes his life so extraordinary. According to Marca, the tennis star initially stayed in his small 25 square meter modular dwellings, but has recently relocated to a larger complex where several other tennis professionals like Juan Carlos Ferrero, Nicolas Almagro, and Guillermo Garcia Lopez have gone. After his arrival in 2019, Carlos Alcaraz made the Sports Center in Vienna his official residence. Currently, he lives in a prefabricated wood house with a surface area of 90 square meters. The inside of this new house is plain and unadorned with only a few embellishments, and it contains various rooms for the tennis players who live in the same house. Later, we are going to discuss some of his major exquisite purchases, so stay tuned. Hello and welcome to our channel, The Wealthy Few. In today's video, we are going to discuss the millionaire lifestyle of Carlos Alcaraz. So make sure to watch the video till the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos about the richest people in the world. Well, we all know how crucial it is for professional tennis players to concentrate on their bodies. As a result, Carlos Alcaraz has spent a lot of time and money on his training in order to be as prepared as possible to deal with difficult situations. He has stated in numerous interviews that he enjoys going to the gym. He has been focusing on each and every part of his body. He spends a generous amount of time on himself. Currently, Carlos is in sponsorship deals with some of the world's largest corporations, Nike being one of them. You don't need me to tell you that's a potentially million-dollar deal. Carlos had a clothing agreement with Lotto Sportswear initially, but Nike came along in 2015 and lured young Carlos away with an appealing offer. Nike now has a clothing and shoe sponsorship deal with Alcaraz. Babolat has a racket sponsorship deal with Alcaraz. He plays with a Babolat Pure Aero VS racket with Babolat Aero Pro Drive main strings and Babolat RPM Blast crossover strings. Additionally, Alcaraz was named an ambassador for Swiss luxury wristwatch Rolex in 2022. Tennis talents Roger Federer, Alexander Zverev, and Stefanos Tsitsipas are all sponsored by Rolex. Carlos Alcaraz's support of Rolex joins his sponsorship of Nike and Babolat. The young Spaniard took to Instagram to announce the signing of the contract. Very glad and excited to be part of the Rolex family, he captioned the photo. His annual deal to endorse Rolex watches grew to an estimated $8 million per year. Though Carlos has entered a net worth of millions, do you think he has spent his wealth like a millionaire? Well, this is what many of us are unaware of, but we are about to find out next. So make sure you watch until the end to find out more, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos. Carlos is the epitome of modesty, and while it could be because he is still young and has a lot of potential, he does not yet possess any fancy cars. After completing his driving test in 2021, Carlos received his driver's license in February 2022. Objective done, I am already one more on the way. He captioned a photo he posted on Instagram. Carlos Alcaraz has earned $863,798 in prize money throughout the course of his brief career, and his endorsement deals have increased his net worth to an estimated $2 million. Carlos's gear and equipment are presently sponsored by Nike and Babolat respectively. Carlos's millionaire lifestyle is not as unique as other millionaires. He loves to live a simple life and doesn't like to show off his wealth like others. And that's all for today, guys. What do you think about Carlos Alcaraz's millionaire lifestyle? And which quality of his millionaire lifestyle did you love the most? Tell us in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be back soon with more amazing content, so stay tuned. And don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Thanks for watching.